Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another how to do video. Today we got a 2000 BMW 740iL, and we're going to be doing this water pipe that goes under the intake. It's supposed to take 4.5 hours, but we're going to see. Right, so I didn't show you guys the first step, but the first step is you have to get all these wires. So you have to take the two valves off, the what are these things called? The coil pack covers. Take the wires out and then just pretty much lift it up. Take the injectors out, and say you have to take the whole thing off. I just lifted it up and tied the string to hold it over to the side, so you don't have to do all the extra stuff taking it down. But yeah, so the next step, we're gonna start taking the screws out and then lift this thing up. Alright, so what you gonna need right now is an 11. I'll power drill again, and then yeah, let's get started. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind of want to be careful because you don't want these to drop inside of the injector. Be very careful. 4, so from my understanding, I believe there's 10 screws, and then we should be ready to come off. 8, 9, 10. Gotta get one of these too. Have to. Okay, so this plug out. Let's see if the back can come up. Yep, there we go, loose. Like a lot of these females out here. Let me not do that on camera. Another little screw on the side. Just flathead. Unsteady ass hands. These two in the back, they just pull off. They should just pull out of the holes. There you go, 1, 2. Take off this. I'll take this PCV off right here. It should just be one screw, flathead. Should just pull off, but of course not. Now we should be free from everything. Intake should just come up. Hell, there's something else holding. Shouldn't be. Oh, I see. You can look in here. We showed on the inside. So when you get it up, there's gonna be a big pipe right here. Now how to get this out? Let's let's find out. Because I don't really want to mess with those. I hate those kind of clips. But that might just be the answer for today. Let's see. Okay. There's the intake. That will happen. Alright, so we get the intake off. See these two lines, the way we got it off. I mean, you can take the water pump off, that's if you're changing it, but if not, I think the easiest way to go back here and take this little pipe off back here. There's 3 screws on each side, 1, 2, and there's 3rd one in the back. And there's 3 over here too, as you can see. 1, 2, 3. Take it off, slide it back, and there you go. The water pipes come out. Yeah. Water pumps just come out. Alright, so that's how you remove the water pipes on a 2000 BMW 740i.